you must, this square green head. But you'll have to kill me first, she said. Landlubbers, get down with those pawn shops.
Hello lilies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. Today I am going to show you how to do this Halloween look, and happy Halloween to everybody out there. If you don't already know by now, I am Lily Munster from the classic horror comedy TV show from the 1960s, The Munsters, around at the same time that the Addams Family was as well. So they were the two prominent kind of horror comedy. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look or this costume, make sure to keep watching. First, I'm making sure that I get a good coating of primer all over my face. Next, I am taking this green body paint in the shade Liberty Green, and I am applying it just with a flat foundation brush. I started with my face, and then I worked my way down to my neck, and then shoulders, and then chest. And I basically just covered where you were going to be seeing skin. So the rest of my dress would cover like my shoulder area, so I did not need to put it all over my body. You want to make sure that the body paint completely dries before you put any clothing on top of it. I'm going in with my brow gel, and I am putting my brow hairs up just so that way I could get a better shape for kind of like the little squiggle that she has. I'm going in with a darker eyebrow pencil than I normally would use, and I'm just creating the basic shape first. So I am adding the little squiggle tail at the end of it, and then we'll fill it in. She has black eyebrows and I have very blonde, so I had to take my felt tip liner and go over my brows with it just to make it the black color and give it more intensity. And don't worry if some paint comes off during this process, you can always go back and go over it. I did not put body paint around my eyes because we are going to prime it, and I would definitely recommend doing an eyeshadow primer because it does make the colors stand out more and for the eyeshadow to last longer. With a royal blue eyeshadow, you're going to want to apply it all over your lid and up to your brow. And then she also has it kind of going towards her eyebrows. So I just did like a faint line matching to the corner of my eye and then filled it in from there. I used kind of a seafoam green over the top of it. Next, you want to apply a thick line of liner to the top of your lid. She does have a little wing on there as well, And then for the bottom, I did take a eyeliner pencil and I did do my waterline and then a little down below. And then she also does have a line coming out the side as well. So I did that with the pencil first and then I went over it again. Going back to the royal blue eyeshadow, and I used a kabuki brush for this. We are going to do the contour. So I did apply several coats pretty generously so that way it showed up as well, because her contour is pretty noticeable. Now I'm applying a bright red liquid lipstick. And I do want to mention that I will go ahead and list the products down below. And lastly, for makeup is the mascara. For my wig, it did include the wig cap, which was really cool. I actually never had one like that, so it was interesting trying to get it on. So the wig does have her signature white stripe in it. It is very long and just a tad bit heavy, but I think it was perfect overall. I did have a little bit of trouble with my hair staying in the cap, I guess because my hair is so thin, it kind of creeped out, but other than that, I thought it was perfect. I actually saved this bat necklace from my high school goth days. I believe that I got it at Hot Topic, and that was the inspiration behind this costume. I covered part of my arms and just a little bit of my hands. I eventually did all of my hands, but I did a light coating of it, just the top. And then on my arms, I just did to where my dress would cover the rest. My dress is the Monica from Pinup Girl Clothing, which I have already had for years as well. Alright, so that was my Lily Munster Halloween tutorial. If you guys liked this video and would like to see more, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys later. Bye.